Welcome to this week's edition of Hematology and Blood Cancer Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by Lucid Quest. AbbVie and Immunogenetics Incorporated have entered a $1.9 billion collaboration to advance ISB 2001, a trispecific antibody targeting CD38, BCMA, and CD3 for relapsed or refractory multiple myeloma. In Phase 1 trials, the agent demonstrated a 79% overall response rate. The deal includes $700 million upfront, with an additional $1,225 million in milestone payments and future royalties. IASO Bio's CAR-T therapy, Fukaso, has received orphan drug designation in South Korea for relapsed or refractory multiple myeloma following at least 3 prior treatments. This designation, which follows similar approvals in Saudi Arabia, may facilitate faster access via South Korea's import policy framework. Teclistamab continues to demonstrate strong results in real-world settings for high-risk multiple myeloma patients. New findings show a 53% disease reduction in late-line patients, 89% of whom would have been excluded from the Majestic-1 trial. Even patients previously treated with BCMA-targeted therapies showed meaningful clinical benefit. The FDA has accepted Taiho Oncology's new drug application for a combination of Inqovi and Venetoclax as an all-oral frontline therapy for acute myeloid leukemia. Among elderly patients ineligible for intensive chemotherapy, the combination achieved a 46.5% complete remission rate. A decision is expected by February 25, 2026. In IDH-mutated acute myeloid leukemia, a triplet regimen including Venetoclax, an IDH inhibitor, and a hypomethylating agent achieved a 92% complete remission or CRC rate. Among patients without secondary AML, 2-year overall survival ranged from 73 to 84%, showing strong durability. Lisaftoclax has become the first BCL2 inhibitor approved in China for chronic lymphocytic leukemia and small lymphocytic lymphoma. Indicated for patients who progressed after BTK inhibitors, the Phase 2 trial met objective response rate endpoints without any reported tumor lysis syndrome. It becomes the second approved BCL2 inhibitor globally. Nurix Therapeutics' bexobrutideg, a BTK degrader, has been granted orphan drug designation by the European Medicines Agency for Waldenström's macroglobulinemia. This designation provides up to 10 years of market exclusivity in the EU. Bexobrutideg works by degrading the BTK protein and is currently being studied in relapsed or refractory disease. The NIH has initiated a Phase 1 trial in collaboration with Vescarta for VAS-101, a topical gel formulation of curcumin designed for patients with sickle cell disease. The product aims to improve red blood cell health and tissue oxygenation while addressing inflammation and pain. Loeb Sciences has secured a validated European patent for its DHA-based formulation, used in Altimia, a medical food product addressing fatty acid deficiency in sickle cell disease. The patent covers 17 European countries and supports the company's expansion across the rare disease landscape. A public health crisis is unfolding in Maharashtra, India, where a shortage of clotting factor injections has led to the deaths of 30 individuals with hemophilia. Since September 2024, state-run hospitals have lacked supply, forcing patients in Mumbai, Pune, and Nagpur to rely on private markets, where a single vial now costs up to 100,000 rupees. Stay ahead in hematology and blood cancer research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.